Coco's rainy day surprise. Coco was a little elephant with very big ears and an even bigger smile. Today was a very special day, picnic day. Coco woke up early and stretched his trunk high into the air. "It's going to be a perfect sunny day," he trumpeted happily to his reflection. In the kitchen, Coco packed his favorite snack. On the counter sat a giant golden pear, soft, sweet, and juicy. Perfect," Coco said, tucking it carefully into his small woven basket. "Best day ever. Here I come." On the way to the big oak tree, Coco met his friend Niko the squirrel. Niko's tail flicked back and forth like a fluffy feather. "I found the perfect picnic spot," Niko said. "The grass is soft and the sun is warm." But just as they arrived, a tiny drop landed on Coco's trunk. Plip, then another, plop, and then, splash, the sky turned gray and rain began to pour. Niko's tail drooped. "Oh no," he sighed. "The sun is gone. The grass is soggy. Our picnic is ruined." Coco looked around quietly. He didn't rush away. He watched. Nearby, a group of daisies lifted their heads. The rain touched their petals, and suddenly they perked up, bright and glowing. "Look, Niko," Coco said gently. "The flowers were thirsty. The rain is helping them." Niko blinked. Then he looked down at a puddle by his feet. He tapped it with his paw. Splish! Water jumped right back at him. Niko's eyes widened. "Hey, puddles can play," Coco smiled. "Let's try." Soon they were splashing, spinning, and laughing in the rain. Coco flapped his big ears like umbrellas, while Niko did a soggy somersault into the biggest puddle he could find. The rain didn't feel gloomy anymore. It felt like an adventure. Slowly the clouds drifted away. A warm ray of sunlight peeked through, and then a rainbow stretched across the sky, bright and beautiful. "Wow," Coco whispered. "We wouldn't have seen this without the rain." Back at Coco's house, they built a cozy blanket fort. Soft pillows, warm giggles, and a quiet, happy space. They shared the golden pear and Niko's crunchy acorns. Coco leaned back and smiled. "Today didn't go the way we planned," he said. "But it turned into something even better." Niko nodded, nibbling an acorn. Rain or shine, it was a perfect day. And inside their cozy little fort, with full tummies and happy hearts, it truly was